Hi, I'm Dominic Pacenti, technical trainer here at Kubota Engine America. The GL11000 is one of Kubota's Lowboy II generators. It's a single-phase generator with a continuous rating of 10 kilowatts, with a noise level of 68 decibels at full load. Powered by Kubota's D722 3-cylinder diesel engine from the Super Mini series, the GL11000's compact size makes it easy to move around with a 1-point lifting eye and 2 fork pockets at the base. This CSA certified unit comes with receptacles that offer a variety of plugs to fit your customer's needs. The integrated fuel tank holds just over 7 gallons of fuel, offering 7 hours of continuous runtime at 100% load. The GL11000 offers easy one-sided maintenance, and the automatic engine shutdown feature will shut the engine off to prevent any damage. The dimensions are 50 inches by 24 inches by 28 inches, and it weighs in at 701 pounds. When you're servicing your Kubota generator, make sure to use genuine Kubota parts. Kubota offers a maintenance kit that comes with Kubota oil filter, fuel filter, and air filter to make the maintenance work easy and convenient. For more information on the GL11000, contact your local distributor.